Welcome to the Family Office Navigator, the practical, easy-to-use, and hands-on guidebook that is designed to inspire and empower families to navigate and enjoy the rewarding journey towards building a new family office or repurposing an existing one. Fueled by several trends as well as changes in the financial and regulatory landscape, the topic of family offices has rapidly gained momentum and has undergone a radical transformation over the past decades. The number of new wealth owners across the globe is on the rise. A massive transfer of wealth to the next generation of enterprising families has occurred. We have seen increasing administrative and regulatory constraints of globally dispersed families, and we now find an increasingly complex investment landscape. These are just a few of the trends that we've seen emerge. As a consequence, the demand for family offices is soaring. But with this surge comes a challenge. Navigating the intricate world of family offices can be overwhelming, leaving families wondering what family offices are, how they work, where they should start, how they can design effective multi-generational family offices, and who they can turn to for sensible advice along the journey. Families need guidance, expertise, and clarity amidst a sea of options and complexities. The Family Office Navigator is more than just a book. It is a guide, a sparring partner for all members of enterprising families. Each section of the Navigator is packed with insights, best practice examples, and expert advice, activities and useful tools, which will take families by the hand, guiding them through all critical steps of their family office journey. I wish you and your family a fun and rewarding Family Office Navigator journey.